Now, let's look at the answer to the question of the day. The question again, neither my mother nor I dash to blame. The options are A is, B are, C am, D has. Now, what is your answer? Let's look at it. What is the rule guiding this? We have this as a coordinating conjunction, although however it's operating as a correlating because it is used with neither, so they correlate. However, sometimes they can be used alone. So whether used as a coordinating conjunction or a correlating conjunction, you still have the same rule guiding it. When this join two nouns, what happens? Because it is either this or it is neither this nor that, or it's either this or this. So it's not a coordination that pluralizes, that makes the two to be one or to be a kind of a compound noun that is plural in nature. Here, if the two are singular, then it will be considered singular. But sometimes you may have this joining a plural noun and a singular noun. The verb agrees with the nearer one. That is, if the first noun is plural and the second is singular, the verb will become singular. Or the first is singular and the second is plural, the verb becomes plural. Now here, it is not the issue of plural or singular, it is the issue of the type of subject. In the first one, we have my mother. My mother is a noun and so is in third person case. While I is a first person pronoun. So usually what will you say? Will you say, now it means we actually have two, we can construct two sentences from this place. We can say my mother is not to blame. My mother is, the is will be here, that's one sentence. Then we'll have another sentence, I am not to blame. So you can see that if we are using it like that, the am will be here. And because the verb agrees with the nearer one, that say am will have to be. Neither my mother nor I am to blame. So the answer is am, C. Is your answer correct? Is it C you took? If it is, then congratulations.